how to log out of your Facebook account on other devices and remove any devices you no longer use. First, open the Facebook app and make sure you're signed in. Next, tap the menu icon. Then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings. Inside Settings, open Account Center. If you don't see it right away, use the search option in Settings to quickly find Account Center. Now, tap Password and Security, then select where you're logged in. Here, you'll see all the devices that are currently signed into your Facebook account, along with their recent activity. Tap Select Devices. Choose the device or devices you want to remove, and then tap Log Out. Again, tap Log Out to confirm your selection when prompted. Those devices will immediately be signed out of your Facebook account. For better account security, it's a good idea to review this list regularly and remove any devices you don't recognize. You can also update your password if you notice any suspicious login activity. And that's it. That's how you can log out of Facebook on other devices. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick Facebook tips and easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.